Hey, we're out here on Sycamore Court, Heritage Landing. Check out a ground floor end unit, brand new coach home. It's an Arrowhead. Really nicely landscaped. You've got a nice walkway here to your front door. Nice property back here too. So this is a smart home. You've got a Ring doorbell, electronic locks. Living room, dining room. Your kitchen's got white quartz countertops, designer white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Now this floor plan, as you can see over there, closes off the additional bedrooms. You've got your master over here that has its own lanai entrance. Nice big master. Got double walk-ins here. Nice, huge walk-in closets. That's where all your smart home technology transmits to. We've got one over there as well. The master has dual vanity sinks, also with the quartz countertops throughout. Huge walk-in shower. As I was saying, this wing is like a separate guest wing, can be completely closed off for privacy. Second bedroom. It's got a good sized closet. Third bedroom. Second bath. Got a tub in here. There's your full-size washer and dryer. And your two-car garage. Water heaters out here. Got some more closet space there. You've got lots of closet space here. And we'll go check out the lanai and the view. That's the other part of the kitchen. Nice big walk-in pantry there. Nice large oversized lanai. And it really is nice and peaceful back here.